Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. If you saw my last video, it was concerning the WLToys 104009 and 104019. But some people have been asking me, will this brace, the chassis brace, that will help the swing arms stay straight, fit the WLToys 12402-A? And it's really hard for me to say, I'm afraid, because I actually don't own one of those yet. Oh, shock! So yes, I'm going to have to get one of those, without a shadow of a doubt. But I did do the next best thing, and I did some research, and from what I've been told, please understand that that's just the way it's going to have to be, that the chassis are actually identical. Now, I have been online, I have checked, and whoever's selling the chassis are saying that they fit both the 104009, 019, and the 12402. So they should be identical, but I didn't stop there. I wanted just to ensure myself. So I printed this out. Let's just get that exposure a little bit better. And see myself whether they were in fact identical. Now this is for the 12402-A. And I've been checking things like the position of the screws at the front, obviously the battery compartment, the screw holes, and everything on it, in fact, seems identical. So if you want a reinforcement plate on your chassis for your 12402-A, you can in fact fit this. Just noticed something which I didn't notice when I was making the last video for the 104009. Yeah, man, that's getting difficult. Have a look here. If you look here, especially where these the metal parts are, you see how there's no plastic there on the 009. Well, have a look here. See how there's these built-up plastic areas here, and the same at the front. They've got these bits here. So when you put this plate into position, you see how it's fitting at exactly that point where that extra plastic is. Didn't notice that. So if you've got a 12402, you're probably going to have this chassis. And if you've got one of the newer WLToys, you're probably going to have this design chassis, but everything else looks absolutely identical. So, can you use it on your 12402-A? Yes, you can. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Take care. Bye-bye.